Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, children. So my name is Stephanie Ruto. I'm so happy to be here. When my dad told me that there was a fundraiser happening in Uni, he chose to tell me because actually by profession I'm a children's officer. So I work a lot with children. And so I'm very happy to be here. Thank you for inviting us. It's very beautiful. People normally say Cumberland is dry, but on the drive here from Nairobi, I think God blessed you with the rains because it was a beautiful drive, and I'm happy to be here. So, as it's been said, I'm not a politician. I don't talk much, but I'm happy to see the children, and we will do whatever we can to finance and support all the help that you need and everything that you need. Yeah, that's all I can say. God bless all of you. And as our area MP has said, maybe I can bring my contribution now. And Father Vipin, maybe you can come and receive it because I also have to go back. Yeah. So this is a contribution from my father and my family, not just as him as president, but also because he's a family man. And we love children. Children are our future. Thank you so much. So this is 3 million. Yeah.